Hello and welcome to a series of Good Vibrations. My name is Jeff Lismer and I'm your host. In this series, I will address how various conditions lead to falls and which conditions are associated with the greatest risk. The present episode focuses on the biological reasons for falls to provide some insights into how various conditions may impact a fall. What is a fall in the first place? The World Health Organization defines a fall as an event which results in a person coming to rest inadvertently on the ground or floor or other lower level. Falls can occur while standing, sitting, walking, and moving about. Even wheelchair users suffer falls during transfer to another seat or a bed. The leading biological causes for falls which VibeTech may be able to positively affect include muscle weakness, which puts a person at a 5 times increased risk of suffering a fall, impaired balance, which puts someone at an over 3 times risk. Deficits in gait or ability to walk are associated with a 3 times risk factor for falls. Limited mobility is associated with a 2.5 times risk factor, and cognitive impairment increases risk by nearly 2.5 times. Those afflicted by these conditions are significantly more fearful of falling, and that leads them to become more sedentary, and that accelerates their deconditioning, putting them at an even greater risk of suffering a fall or fall-related injury. This cycle needs to stop. We can't have people fearful of doing the very things that make them better. We can't have quality of life so diminished that the will to participate in life's activities disappears. We can break this chain. We can impart positive changes in mobility in individuals with these conditions. We have successfully demonstrated that physical confidence and mood are elevated after VibeTech treatments. We intend to make these treatments available to everyone living with these biological causes for falls, regardless of the condition or physical and cognitive status of the individual afflicted. Keep watching our series of Good Vibrations and subscribe to our channel to learn more about our journey to improve quality of life and reduce cost of care. Reach out to us if you have any questions by emailing your inquiries to answers@vibetechglobal.com. Thank you.